welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing an unboxing from Louisa Via Roma. I just got this box yesterday, but I didn't have time to open it yesterday, so I'm going to open it for you right now. So usually they package it so cute. If you ever ordered from them before, if you haven't ordered from them before, they put this nice packaging with their ribbon and tissue paper. So let me open this up. And I purchased, they had this amazing sale this week, and it is Golden Goose sneakers. This is my very first pair of Golden Goose sneakers, and I got it for such a steal. So let me take a look at the receipt and see. Of course, the price isn't on here. This is just the packing slip, but I bought these sneakers for, I think it was $148, I believe. It was on like super sale. It was so cheap. Oh my god. So okay, so inside the box has a Golden Goose dust bag, and then let me show you the sneakers. They are so cute. So they were having a huge sale this week on sneakers, and a bunch of their Golden Goose selection was on sale, and they were like an extra 30% off of their sale price, and I got this for $148 plus tax, so under $200. Golden Goose sneakers. Let me show you. These are gold, so let me show you what they look like. I wear a size 37. Sometimes I could wear a 38 in like boots, but let me show you a close-up. So it's a gold, like kind of shiny gold material, and it is the like, they're doing this whole thing right now with sneakers where they're making it like look used, so there is like dirty scratches on the sneaker, which I mean, I guess it's the look. I don't love it, but it's not like crazy dirty. Like I've seen some really dirty ones, so this is okay in my book. This is the Golden Goose Deluxe, the May brand. So let me show you inside. Again, this is my very first Golden Goose sneakers. I haven't really purchased this brand before because it is so expensive. Like retail, this runs for like $500 plus, and I'm not gonna spend that on sneakers, but for $150, yeah, I will spend that. And they're just amazing. They're super cute. I love that they're gold. I wear a lot of gold and like my not gold clothing, but I wear a lot of gold like hardware in my bags and gold jewelry. Let me show you the right shoe. So Louisa Via Roma, they do have they always have a tag on it, and if you're not going to return it, you can remove this tag. But if you're going to return items, you have to have this tag in place in order for them to take the items back. So I'm going to try these on before I decide if I want to return them or not. Just overall, these feel so soft. The leather is so soft. I can understand why these are $500 sneakers, because the quality is impeccable. I mean, it's just super soft. The sole is really bendable. I mean, the inside is super soft leather. I mean, it's just so cute. What do you think? Do you like them? Are they like super adorable? I found out about the sale from an Instagram account that I follow. She goes by @LuxHunt. I totally recommend you following her. She scours the internet for like designer sales, and she always posts them. And she posted this, and I was so fortunate to have been able to find my size and get them under $200, which is amazing. I'm gonna post her down below. I'm gonna post her Instagram. And Luisa Via Roma, if you don't know, is an Italian luxury brand company. They have an affiliate with a bunch of Italian boutiques with designer wear, and this is my second purchase with them. And yeah, I just really love these. Thank you for watching my channel. I hope you like this video. If you do like this video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and also I'm on Instagram @DesignerHall. So follow me there as well. See you next time. Bye!